faced a situation when you have asked your friend to WhatsApp you the perfect picture they captured and the response was, I will email you, WhatsApp will ruin the picture quality. Now that's super annoying. Although it's true, WhatsApp tends to compress the picture quality in order to reduce the size, as a result of which there are visible grains on the picture. But I have an amazing tech tip to share with you, using which you can share your pictures directly on WhatsApp without compromising on the quality. But first things first, let me address this important question coming into your head: who am I? Well, my name is Simran Srivastav and you will continue to watch me on India Today Tech. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss out any notification whenever we upload a video. So without a further ado, let's just get into the video. Now, in order to share your picture, all you have to do is select the picture you want to share. Click on this share option given on the picture below. Choose the print option there. Now save this photo as a PDF. This photo gets saved into your internal storage or your external storage. Now go to your files and there you have the picture PDF. Click on the picture PDF. Select the option Send File. Choose WhatsApp and choose the person you want to send the picture. Now, as you can see, the picture is sent in the PDF format in same dimensions and the quality is also perfectly fine. See, that's how easy it is. And there's another way too. For this, all you have to do is open your WhatsApp chat, click on the attachment icon and select document. Now you see you have browse other documents option given at the top. Select that option, click on images or you can choose gallery, select your image and click on send. Your image is sent in the original format and without compromising on the quality. You see, that's how easy it is. And this trick works for both Android and iOS smartphones. I hope next time you don't have to wait for your friend to email you the pictures. We'll meet you next time with a new amazing tech tip. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.